There's a revolution happening right now that most people are completely missing. While everyone's worried about AI taking their jobs, the smart ones are using AI to build wealth machines that work while they sleep. What if I told you that the playing field has been completely leveled? That right now, today, you have access to tools that billionaires could only dream of a decade ago. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to harness 7 powerful AI money machines that can generate income streams completely on autopilot. But first, let me ask you something. How many hours do you trade for dollars? How many times have you wished there were more hours in the day? What if you could break free from that linear time for money equation? That's exactly what these AI systems allow you to do. They're not just tools. They're employees that never sleep, never complain, and work for pennies. Over the past 6 months, I've tested every AI platform, every strategy, every possible combination to find what actually works in the real world. Not theory, not hype, real money-making systems that are working right now. And what I discovered will completely change how you think about wealth creation. The old rules no longer apply. The traditional education system didn't prepare us for this. The corporate ladder is broken, but there's a new path. A path that leads to financial freedom through automation and artificial intelligence. And the beautiful part, you don't need technical skills. You don't need millions of dollars. You don't even need that much time. What you need is the right blueprint. The exact systems I'm about to reveal. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are sustainable, scalable business models that leverage the most powerful technology ever created. So if you're ready to stop trading your life for money and start building systems that work for you, then pay very close attention. Because what you're about to learn will quite literally change your financial future forever. The first AI money machine is perhaps the most powerful yet misunderstood. AI content creation at scale. Now, when I say content creation, I'm not talking about writing a few articles here and there. I'm talking about building entire media empires that generate revenue while you focus on higher-level tasks. Think about this for a second. Every major media company, every news outlet, every publishing house, they all make money through content. But until recently, creating quality content at scale required massive teams, huge budgets, and years of infrastructure building. AI has completely changed that equation. Now, a single person can output what used to require 50 people. But here's where most people go wrong. They use AI to create mediocre content that blends in with everything else online. The secret isn't just creating content. It's creating superior content that stands out, builds authority, and dominates search engines. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, you identify profitable niches where people are actively spending money. This could be anything from personal finance to health supplements to software reviews. Then, you use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and specialized writing assistants to research and create comprehensive, value-packed content that's 10 times better than what's currently ranking. But here's the magic sauce that most people miss. You don't just publish and hope. You build interconnected content ecosystems where each piece supports and amplifies the others. You create pillar content that covers topics comprehensively, then cluster content that dives deep into specific aspects. The AI helps you map out this entire structure, identify gaps in the market, and create content that perfectly matches user intent. But the real automation comes in the distribution and optimization. AI tools can automatically format your content for different platforms, create social media snippets, generate email newsletters, and even respond to comments. They can analyze performance data and suggest improvements in real time. The system learns what works and doubles down on it. I've seen people build entire content businesses that generate thousands of dollars per month with less than 5 hours of maintenance work weekly. One of my students used this system to create a network of niche websites that now brings in over $40,000 per month purely from advertising and affiliate marketing. And he spends maybe 10 hours a week managing the entire operation. The key is treating content not as individual pieces but as a systematic business that leverages AI for creation, optimization, and scaling. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about amplifying it. Using AI to handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks so you can focus on strategy and growth. That's the first AI money machine. The second automated income stream will surprise you because it has nothing to do with creating anything new. AI-powered arbitrage systems. Now, arbitrage has been around forever. Buying low and selling high. But AI has supercharged this ancient money-making principle in ways that were previously impossible. Let me give you a concrete example. E-commerce arbitrage used to require endless hours of manual research, scouring websites, comparing prices, calculating profit margins. It was tedious, time-consuming, and limited by human capacity. AI changes everything. Now, sophisticated algorithms can scan thousands of products across multiple platforms simultaneously, identifying price discrepancies and profit opportunities in real time. But that's just the basic version. The real power comes from predictive arbitrage. AI systems can analyze market trends, seasonal patterns, consumer behavior, and even social media sentiment to predict which products will increase in value. They can identify emerging trends before they go mainstream. I've seen systems that monitor TikTok and Instagram to spot products that are about to go viral, then automatically source them before prices skyrocket. But here's where it gets really interesting. AI can also automate the entire execution process. From finding the products to purchasing them to listing them on marketplaces to handling customer service. There are fully automated stores running right now where the owner literally does nothing but collect profits. One system I analyzed was making over $20,000 per month by automatically buying limited edition sneakers the moment they dropped and reselling them at premium prices. The AI monitored release calendars, automatically entered raffles, and even used multiple payment methods to bypass purchase limits. But physical products are just one aspect. There's also digital arbitrage. Buying digital assets like domains, websites, or social media accounts at low prices and selling them higher. AI can value these assets more accurately than any human by analyzing traffic patterns, revenue history, and market comparables. Then there's information arbitrage. Using AI to gather valuable information from one source and repackage it for another audience at a premium. The common thread here is that AI handles the pattern recognition, the data analysis, and the execution at speeds and scales no human could ever match. This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter by leveraging artificial intelligence to identify and exploit market inefficiencies automatically. The third AI money machine is one that traditional businesses spend millions to build. Automated customer service and sales systems. Every business on earth needs to handle customers, answering questions, processing orders, handling complaints, upselling products. This is typically one of the biggest expenses for any company. But what if you could have a team of perfect employees who work 24/7, never get tired, and constantly improve? That's exactly what AI chatbots and virtual assistants now make possible. But I'm not talking about those basic chatbots that frustrate customers with canned responses. Modern AI assistants are incredibly sophisticated. They can understand context, detect emotions, handle complex queries, and even make personalized recommendations. They can process natural language almost indistinguishably from humans. Here's how this becomes a money machine. First, you can offer AI customer service as a business itself. Small and medium businesses are desperate for affordable customer support solutions. You can build white-labeled AI systems and charge monthly fees for access. I know people making $50,000 per month just by reselling AI customer service platforms to local businesses. But there's an even more powerful approach. Using AI customer service to build your own products. For example, creating niche-specific AI assistants that help people with particular problems. A fitness AI coach, a financial planning assistant, a travel planning expert. These can be subscription-based services where people pay monthly for access to personalized AI guidance. The development costs have dropped dramatically. Where it used to cost hundreds of thousands to build such systems, now you can create them for a fraction of that using existing platforms. But the real automation comes in the scaling. Once you've built one successful AI assistant, the template can be replicated for countless other niches. The same underlying technology can be customized for different industries, different languages, different use cases. I've seen entrepreneurs build entire portfolios of AI services, each generating passive income with minimal ongoing maintenance. The key insight here is that customer service is no longer a cost center. With AI, it becomes a profit center. Every interaction becomes an opportunity to delight customers, gather data, and generate revenue. And the system gets smarter with every conversation, constantly improving its responses and recommendations. This creates a virtuous cycle where better service leads to more customers, which leads to more data, which leads to even better service. The fourth automated income stream leverages one of AI's most powerful capabilities: data analysis and insight generation. We're living in the age of data. Every business generates massive amounts of information. Customer behavior, sales patterns, market trends, operational metrics. But here's the dirty secret most companies won't tell you. They're sitting on gold mines of data that they don't know how to use. They have the information but lack the capability to extract meaningful insights from it. This creates an enormous opportunity. AI can analyze complex datasets in minutes that would take teams of analysts months to process. It can identify patterns, correlations, and opportunities that humans would never spot. But here's how you turn this into an automated income stream. First, you can offer AI-powered analytics as a service, helping businesses understand their data and make better decisions. But that still requires your active involvement. The real automation comes from creating self-service data products, building AI tools that businesses can use directly to analyze their own data. For example, creating a platform that automatically analyzes e-commerce store data and recommends optimal pricing strategies. Or a tool that scans social media data to identify emerging trends for content creators. Or a system that analyzes financial data to suggest investment opportunities. The beauty of these digital products is that once they're built, they can be sold repeatedly with zero marginal cost. Every additional customer is pure profit. But there's an even more sophisticated approach. Using AI to find valuable datasets and create insights that you can sell directly. For example, analyzing public data to create industry reports, market research, or investment theses. I know one team that used AI to analyze thousands of startup pitch decks and create a database of the most promising investment opportunities. They sell access to hedge funds and venture capital firms for thousands of dollars per month. Another group analyzes patent databases to identify emerging technologies before they become mainstream, selling these insights to large corporations. The key is identifying data sources that are publicly available but too complex for most people to analyze effectively. Then using AI to process this data into actionable intelligence that specific audiences will pay for. The system can be set up to automatically gather fresh data, process it, generate insights, and even deliver reports to subscribers. This creates a completely automated intelligence business that requires minimal ongoing input. The fifth AI money machine might be the most exciting because it's creating entirely new industries. AI-generated digital products and assets. For centuries, creating valuable assets required specialized skills, expensive tools, and years of practice. Whether you were writing a book, composing music, creating art, or developing software, you needed expertise that took years to develop. AI has democratized creation in ways we're only beginning to understand. Now, anyone can create professional quality digital products in hours instead of years. But here's where most people stop. They create one product and try to sell it. The real power comes from systematic creation at scale. Let me give you some examples. E-books and digital guides. AI can research, outline, write, and format complete books on virtually any topic. I've seen people create entire libraries of niche books that generate passive income through platforms like Amazon Kindle. But it goes far beyond text. AI can generate original music, create stock photos and videos, design logos and graphics, even develop simple software applications. The key is building systems that continuously create and test new products, then double down on what works. Here's a working model I've seen generate over $100,000 per month. Create multiple AI-generated products across different niches. Use AI to test market demand through minimal viable products. Then scale production on the winners. Automate the entire creation and distribution process. One entrepreneur I know has systems that automatically generate hundreds of digital products weekly, test them on various platforms, and automatically scale the successful ones while discontinuing the failures. But the real frontier is in interactive digital products. AI-powered tools, calculators, planners, and utilities that provide ongoing value. Unlike static products, these can command recurring revenue. For example, an AI-powered business plan generator that helps entrepreneurs create professional plans in minutes. Or a meal planning tool that generates customized nutrition plans based on individual preferences and goals. The development of these tools has become incredibly accessible. With platforms that allow you to create sophisticated web applications without coding, combined with AI APIs that handle the complex logic, a single person can now build products that would have required entire development teams just a few years ago. And once built, these digital products can be sold 24/7 to global markets. The marginal cost of serving an additional customer is virtually zero. This creates incredible leverage and scalability. The system works while you sleep, serving customers across different time zones, generating revenue from around the world. The sixth automated income stream is particularly powerful because it leverages network effects. AI-powered marketplaces and platforms. Now, building a marketplace has traditionally been one of the hardest business models to execute. You need to attract both buyers and sellers simultaneously. You need to build trust, handle transactions, manage disputes. It's a chicken and egg problem that has defeated many entrepreneurs. AI changes this equation dramatically. First, AI can help solve the cold start problem by generating initial supply. For example, if you're building a marketplace for digital services, AI can provide the initial offerings until human providers join. If you're creating a content marketplace, AI can generate the initial content. This bootstrap period where marketplaces typically struggle can now be navigated much more smoothly. But the real power comes from how AI enhances marketplace operations. It can match buyers and sellers more efficiently than any human ever could. It can detect fraud patterns, optimize pricing, personalize recommendations, and even predict future demand. I've seen AI-powered marketplaces that automatically adjust commission structures based on supply and demand dynamics, create personalized discovery experiences for each user, and even mediate disputes through intelligent analysis of transaction data. Here's a concrete example of how this becomes an automated income stream. One entrepreneur created an AI-powered marketplace for freelance programmers. The AI doesn't just connect clients with developers. It analyzes project requirements and automatically matches them with the most suitable candidates based on historical performance data. It helps scope projects, suggests optimal pricing, and even monitors project progress to ensure timely delivery. The system handles everything from onboarding to payment processing to quality assurance. The founder now earns millions in commission fees with a team of just 3 people. But you don't need to build massive platforms to benefit from this model. You can create niche marketplaces for specific services or products. AI tutoring marketplaces, local service marketplaces, specialized equipment rental platforms. The key is choosing a niche where AI can provide significant advantages over existing solutions. The automation comes from the platform itself handling the complex coordination between multiple parties while you collect transaction fees. As the platform grows, network effects kick in, making the business more valuable and defensible. The AI continuously improves the user experience, leading to higher retention and organic growth. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle where better matching leads to more successful transactions, which attracts more users, which generates more data, which leads to even better matching. The seventh and final AI money machine is what I call the meta system. AI that builds and optimizes other AI money machines. This might sound like science fiction, but it's already happening. The most sophisticated AI systems can now analyze business opportunities, design revenue models, and even help implement them. But let me be very clear what I mean here. I'm not talking about fully autonomous businesses that run without human input. We're not there yet. But we are at the point where AI can handle significant portions of the business creation and optimization process. Here's how this works in practice. AI tools can analyze market data to identify underserved niches and opportunities. They can help design business models based on successful patterns. They can create marketing plans, operational workflows, and even financial projections. But the real power comes in the optimization phase. Once a business is running, AI can continuously analyze performance data and suggest improvements. It can A/B test marketing messages, optimize pricing strategies, identify operational inefficiencies, and even recommend new product opportunities. I've seen systems that automatically manage digital advertising campaigns, constantly testing new audiences and creatives to improve return on ad spend. Others that optimize e-commerce product listings based on conversion data. Still others that manage content calendars based on engagement metrics. The meta-system approach involves creating a central AI that coordinates multiple income streams. It allocates resources to the most promising opportunities, identifies synergies between different businesses, and ensures everything works together harmoniously. This is how you scale from one automated income stream to a portfolio of businesses that support and amplify each other. The key insight is that AI isn't just a tool for executing specific tasks. It's becoming a strategic partner that can help with planning, analysis, and optimization at the highest level. The entrepreneurs who master this meta-system approach will have a significant advantage in the coming years. They'll be able to identify and capitalize on opportunities faster, optimize their operations more efficiently, and build more resilient business ecosystems. So there you have them. 7 AI money machines that can generate automated income streams. From content creation at scale to AI-powered arbitrage, from automated customer service to data insight generation, from digital product creation to intelligent marketplaces, and finally the meta system that ties everything together. But knowing these systems exists is only the first step. The real magic happens when you take action. When you choose one system that resonates with you and start implementing it. Don't fall into the trap of endless planning. The best way to learn is by doing. Start small. Test the waters. Iterate based on results. The beauty of these AI systems is that they allow you to experiment with minimal risk and investment. What would have required thousands of dollars and months of work just a few years ago can now be tested in days with minimal cost. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The opportunity has never been greater. We're living through one of the most significant technological shifts in human history. And like all great shifts, it will create enormous wealth for those who understand and adapt to the new reality. The choice is yours. You can watch from the sidelines as this revolution unfolds. Or you can become an active participant. You can build systems that work for you while you sleep. You can create freedom and flexibility in your life. You can stop trading time for money and start building assets that generate income regardless of what you're doing. The tools are available. The blueprint is clear. The only question that remains is, what are you going to do about it? The future belongs to those who understand that in the age of AI, the greatest skill you can develop is learning how to leverage artificial intelligence to create value automatically. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a system builder. The Industrial Revolution automated physical labor. The AI revolution is automating mental labor. Position yourself accordingly. Build your money machines. Create your freedom. The time is now.